This is a new type of portable motorcycle CarPlay. The model is M6. First, we install the bracket on the motorcycle and install it in any of the 3 places. Finally, the installation is complete. The display effect after the machine is installed. Apple mobile phone connects to CarPlay wirelessly via Bluetooth. Enter the CarPlay interface and navigate online maps. Listen to music. Android phones connect to Android Auto wirelessly via Bluetooth. Enter the Auto interface. Various functions for you to apply.